Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to reduce and remove wind noise from your videos in Audacity. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Audacity application on your PC. Once it launches, you'll see your audio waveform displayed on the screen. To work with your entire audio track, simply double-click on the audio waveform. This will select all of your audio at once, making it ready for editing. You'll notice the entire track becomes highlighted, indicating that everything is now selected and ready for the noise reduction process. Next, direct your attention to the top toolbar of the Audacity interface. You'll see several menu options there. Click on the one labeled Effect. This menu contains all the audio processing tools you'll need to clean up your sound. The Effect menu is where Audacity stores its powerful audio editing features, and it's essential for removing unwanted background noise like wind. After clicking Effect, a drop-down menu will appear with various options. Now hover your mouse over EQ and Filters. This will open a submenu with different filtering options designed to shape your audio. From this submenu, select High Pass Filter. This filter is specifically designed to remove low-frequency sounds, which is exactly what wind noise is. By applying this filter, you'll be able to cut out those rumbling, whooshing sounds without affecting the clarity of voices or other important audio elements in your video. Once the High Pass Filter window opens, you'll see several settings you can adjust. Look for the option labeled Frequency Hertz. Click on the text field right beside it and enter 80 Hz as your starting point. This frequency setting determines which low sounds will be filtered out. Starting at 80 Hz is a good baseline for most wind noise situations, as it targets those low rumbling frequencies without removing too much of your desired audio. Below the frequency setting, you'll see another option called Roll-Off dB per octave. Click the drop-down menu right beside it and select 12 dB. This setting controls how aggressively the filter removes frequencies below your chosen cutoff point. A 12 dB roll-off provides a gentle, natural-sounding reduction that won't make your audio sound overly processed or artificial. Before applying these changes permanently, click the Preview button. This lets you hear how your audio will sound with these settings applied, giving you a chance to make adjustments if needed. Listen carefully to the preview and pay attention to whether the wind noise has been sufficiently reduced. If the wind noise is still too strong after previewing, try increasing the frequency to 100 Hz or even 150 Hz. Higher frequencies will remove more low-end sound, which can be necessary for particularly strong wind noise. You can experiment with different values until you find the sweet spot that removes the wind without making your audio sound thin or hollow. Once you're satisfied with how it sounds in the preview, click Apply. The filter will then process your entire audio track, permanently removing those unwanted wind frequencies and leaving you with much cleaner audio for your video. And that's it. You've successfully removed wind noise from your video using Audacity's high-pass filter. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.